Main 1, lower the starboard boom by 2 meters.
Roger. Lowering the boom. Watch the cable tension.
Check the readings. The list is 45 degrees.
Lowering the markers now. Divers, are you ready?
Watch your feet. Easy. All right, keep it moving to the starboard side.
Tension holding steady at 4,000. Affirmative, minimal movement detected. We have lift. Readout synchronized across all vessels.
Beginning vertical pull, confirm synchronization.
Confirmed. All stations holding steady. We have movement.
We are stable at 12 degrees. Starboard drainage is clear.
Confirmed. Waterline receding past the 10-meter mark. Hold her steady on the port side.
Confirmed alignment on marker 3. Readings look good.
Maintain tension. We are stabilized.
Lower the starboard pontoon slowly.
Tension is decreasing. Copy that.
Hold position at 3 meters.
All stations, we have achieved stabilization. Maintain current tension.
Confirmed. The vessel is upright and aligned.
Easy on the starboard side. Watch the clearance.
Pressure's holding. Engaging the lock.
Confirm secure. Move to the next section.
Digital readout matches manual log for Zone 4.
Flexing is well within acceptable limits. No action required.
Secure the lower bolts.
Welding is complete.
Check the sealant compound before we move.
All stabilization checks are complete. We are green for towing.
Copy that. Stand by for orders.
Steady as she goes, engine room. Maintain course 090. Cable tension holding steady.
Hold the line steady. We need to maintain alignment.
Aye, winch is secure.
Bridge, this is the captain. We are reducing speed now.
Roger that, Captain. All stations, stand by for docking. We are drifting starboard aft tug, push left. Copy, pushing left now. Bridge, tug alpha, easy on the stern line.
Roger that. Stern line easing. We have fender contact forward.
Heave on that winch.
It's tightening now.
Hold it steady. She's secure.
She's holding steady. Confirmed, all secure. Hold the tension on line 3.
We have contact on the forward fender.
All right, she's secure. Finish tightening the stern lines.
Careful. Watch your step. It's very slick.
Yes, but it feels stable now.
All right, let's start with the bow section. All right, pull that section tighter to the hull. Make sure we have overlap at the connection point. Got it, pulling now. Make sure that coupling is tight, B.
Got it, C. It's secure now.
All right, power up sequence initiated. See that rust bleed near the water line? Yeah, marking it now. We also missed a patch here. Easy now, easy. Keep it steady. Hatch is secured, boss. Installing the rails now. Careful on the descent.
Deep sediment here. I'll test the footing.
Roger that. Let's establish the safe zone now. Fill that bin, the crane is ready. Secure the chains over here. Watch the edge, bring it left. Clear on this side, keep it coming up. Hold steady on the nozzle, I'm locking this side down.
Locked in. Ready for full pressure.
Easy, bring it down another foot. All right, set it down. Watch your feet, Clarence. Clear the area. Switching on fan 1. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side. Easy. Hold it there. Cables are clear up here.
The sealant here looks consistent with the specs.
Agreed. I've logged the observation on the tablet.
Bring it down easy. Looks clean here. How about the seam? No debris found. Stack it up.
The sealant here looks consistent with the specs.
Agreed. I've logged the observation on the tablet.
Looks clean here. How about the seam? No debris found. Stack it up. Watch the line. Pull it tight.
All right, this stack is ready to go.
Clear the path for the forklift.
Make sure the water is fully drained before coiling.
Roger that.